Once upon a time, in the heart of a sun-dappled forest, there lived a hedgehog named Oliver. Oliver was unlike any other hedgehog. He had a heart as soft as the mossy ground he scurried across. His favorite thing in the world was hugs, warm, comforting embraces that made the world feel right. But there was a problem. Oliver's spines were as sharp as thorns. Whenever he attempted to hug another forest creature, they winced, yelped, and sometimes even scurried away. The squirrels, the rabbits, and even the wise old owl, all of them feared Oliver's prickly embrace. Oliver sat under an oak tree, his little heart heavy. Why, he wondered, must my spines be so unfriendly? All I want is to share love. One day, Oliver met a porcupine named Penelope by a stream. Penelope had sharp quills just like Oliver. Both of them were sad because they couldn't give hugs without hurting others. Oliver and Penelope decided to solve their problem. They gathered soft leaves, feathers, and moss. They made a special suit from these soft materials. This suit would make their hugs gentle and safe. Oliver tried on the suit first. "How do I look?" he asked Penelope. Penelope laughed and said, "You look like a fluffy acorn." Then they hugged each other. The hug felt warm and cozy. Next, Penelope tried on the suit. Oliver hugged her, and it felt like hugging a soft cloud. They were both very happy because now they could hug without hurting anyone. Soon, the other animals in the forest saw Oliver and Penelope hugging. They wanted hugs too. Oliver and Penelope wore the special suit and gave gentle, safe hugs to the squirrels, rabbits, and even the wise old owl. Everyone enjoyed the warm, spine-free hugs. But there was one creature who remained skeptical: Grumpy the bear. Grumpy was known for growling at everyone, especially during berry season. Oliver and Penelope approached Grumpy, their hearts pounding. "Would you like a hug?" Oliver asked. Grumpy scowled. "Hugs are for softies." But Penelope held out her paw. "Try it," she said. "You might like it." And so, Oliver and Penelope wrapped their arms around the bear, and something magical happened. Grumpy's growl softened into a purr. "Well," he mumbled, "maybe I've been missing out." From that day on, the forest was full of hugs. Oliver and Penelope became famous for their special suits. They hugged all their friends every day, and everyone in the forest was happy. And as for Grumpy, he became the forest's most enthusiastic hugger. Oliver learned that sometimes our differences can become our greatest strengths. His spines, once a barrier, now connected him to the hearts of others. And every evening, under the ancient oak tree, Oliver and Penelope would share a hug. their soft suits brushing against each other, reminding them that love could soften even the prickliest of edges. And so, in the heart of the sun-dappled forest, hugs bloomed like wildflowers, and Oliver's spines became a symbol of kindness.